just because our learners have complex needs, it doesn't mean that they're not capable of doing absolutely amazing things. They absolutely are, and they do, and show that to me and my staff every day. The kind of barriers to a learning exchange that my pupils would face are, in many ways, they're just exacerbated versions of the kind of barriers that they face in everyday life.
For a child like my son with autism spectrum disorder, he won't necessarily agree to going unless all the information is planned out in front of him and he's got time to process it. He has a lot of sensory issues, so what's going on around him. Obviously, as his parents, we really wanted him to go because this was an experience that we knew he might not get again. And we didn't want him to miss out, but we knew we needed him to make that decision himself. But obviously everything was so well prepared that he was able to make that decision himself.
My favourite part of the trip was probably visiting the schools to see how it's different from here to there.
The pupils spent a day in Haggerty High where they took part in all of the lessons, all of the sessions. We also then spent time at the University of Florida, and then they took part in work experience with the pupils from Orange County.
My favourite part was work experience working in the shop. We were sorting clothes out on shelves and putting them in the right order.
After working in the shop, I think I could do it in the future.
Henry's gaining organisation skills which he never had before. He's gaining the skills to communicate with others and also taking some sort of leadership as well, which he has never ever done before.
When I was in America, I helped out to plan the routine and schedule and the timings, things like that. It was nice to help out and just be involved, and it always planned out well. We always stuck on schedule, helping managing a team, and of course managing time schedules and making sure everything's on track. It could help me improve skills in the future.
He's just evolving in his his own character and personality, and as I say, in his development through such opportunities. The Tithe trip allows people to accompany children like my son to go away that understand ASD and all the challenges that comes along with it.
I always had a problem with meeting new people, but meeting the Americans and stuff like that builds my confidence on getting to know new people.
They all have something to give to society, and a trip like that will bring it out of themselves.
They all got a lot out of the trip, something that they necessarily probably wouldn't get. I think it was a big experience for them, and I think the parents are grateful for the experiences that they had on that trip.
The whole trip actually really affected my whole family in what it brought to Henry, because we could all see a change in him. It was the first time that he did something independently without the support of his family, and it was absolutely amazing, and we were so proud of him, and so were the rest of my family. It was truly amazing. Thank you. Sorry.